Need to put a few things in the storage. Need some change. Locker like this at the airport is 400 Japanese yen. That's about $3 American. It looks small, but it's actually pretty deep. All right, I'm ready to explore the city. I think I'll get some money for subway too. $40 in coins. Hopefully I'm gonna have enough for subway and maybe even some for vending machines. I love vending machines in Japan. I spend most of my cash on them last time I was here. Okay, should I press this one down or this one down? Hard decision. Let's enjoy Tokyo train system before I get the crazy India train system. A little frustrating map is in Japanese. Oh, SOS button isn't in Japanese, only I couldn't find the button. I always like to open Google Maps. It's not very helpful with directions, but it can be a little bit helpful, but mostly I'm just looking at the map where I'm at and if I'm going the right direction. So I am in Kawasaki right now. This map wasn't loading well, but I just wanted to see the speed the train was going with, and that's 60 miles an hour, about 100 kilometers. Oh, I do see two words on the map in English. It says subway map. Wow, I would not guess. Okay. There's always somebody helpful. I am kind of nervous though, because last time I was in Tokyo, I got lost a couple of times. Okay, where do I go now? You said number 3. Oh. I had to change trains twice on the way there and only once on the way back. I am going to Shinjuku city area. Shibuya is also very popular, but I've been there already. Entrance to the train is on the right and exit is to the left, and only usually foreigners stand on the left side where people gonna exit. Got some kind of kiwi chia seed drink for almost $2. Lockers everywhere and a lot of little stores like this. More lockers. Oh wow, that looks good. 1,300 yen. It's about $8.50 to $9. Okay, should I buy this? It's only $1, but I don't know what it is. All I see is gold. Okay, this is some kind of sausage. I don't think I want to try it right now. Anyways, it takes me so far an hour to exit subway station. So many little interesting goodies. Okay, I decided to try this. Tastes kind of sweet, fishy bologna. Vending machines. Okay, let's see. That's a creepy baby. French fries. I like small items, not that. Let's see. Okay, so this is like just games. So either you catch it or not. I like vending machines where they have like little interesting small toys that you can actually buy. Years ago, it costed about $2 for one toy. Okay, here we go. There are more regular vending machines from $2 till about $5. But I don't see anything that I like. More inside of the store. Okay, maybe I'll try this one. Got a little bag with a zipper. In this area, machines pretty much on every block. I like how in Japan they have a lot of food displays like this by the restaurants. I've decided to sit down and have lunch at this little cute place. Wow, it's so tiny. I barely could move through. I put my bag on the box there, and they told me there's a box just for me below my feet. And utensils. I don't know what is it, but it tastes good. Water and cups right here, and I'm trying some cabbage salad. Wow, sizzling. For some reason they asked me to move to the table. Maybe because I'm videotaping. So the menu is very simple. Rice with egg and hamburger. And they only have a couple of different variations, like with cheese or chicken or sausage. And I got just a standard one. Pretty good for $10. And the rice isn't just plain white. It's with some kind of sauce maybe and spices. That was pretty delicious. As good as it looks. Now I'm thinking maybe to get a coffee from a vending machine. And I see different colors, blue and red, and looks like red is for hot. Now I'm really curious. Oh my goodness, it's actually hot. Very good. A little bit sweet, but no milk. I am back at the store looking at some interesting things like this salted egg that is very popular throughout countries in Asia and kept without the refrigeration. Another mystery pack. Oh, I do recognize an egg swimming in there with something and something. Got back to the airport. A lot of vending machines. Oh, cute Miffy. Name is cute, but it doesn't look very cute. Oh, that's disgusting. It's like octopus is sticking out of someone's ear. Okay, let's move. And I just cannot not to videotape Japanese restroom. There's a sanitizer, you can sanitize the seat. And trash can is motion activated. And also this thing is motion activated. So whenever the person is sitting down, and shower, bidet, and air dry. This is a separate restroom for people with disabilities. It has some extra sinks and showers, and I wouldn't know what everything is. This airport has a nice observation deck. Wow. With tables.